Hey guys, this is Danielle with WTI here, and I'm here to share with you another awesome vase set from Sullivans. I love this company. This right here is the set. This is how I set it up. I love this company. Their products are quality. So you are never going to worry about these coming cracked because they wrap them and ship them so well. These are quality ceramic products. I really, really like them. The paintings that they've done on here also, or whatever they did to use the extra detail, I love, because it's cream with little accents of brown, and then it's crackled too. It's just a really nice look. They come without anything in it, but you can arrange it however you like, and I'm going to show you that. So here's the whole thing set up. I want you to see if you can see the detail in these. There is the white with the brown on there and the crackle. I don't know how well you can see it, but it looks great. And these have been thoroughly thought through when they did it. The inside is white also. Not as smooth on the inside, but it's still white and you can't see any transition. I highly recommend these vases, and that is just my point of view.